Being engaged in this action research project has changed me in that I have grown into becoming more of a reflective practitioner. My skills were also developed in the area of planning and preparation, as a sequence of lessons had to be tailored in advance that incorporated the focus on the study. Throughout the entire research process, I had to read numerous journals for more information about the proposed intervention, analyze readings, evaluate results, and write about the research undertaken. These tasks have all helped me to grow in my research skills. Although the entire research process was a tedious, time-consuming task which demanded certain conditions in order for the implementation plan to be properly executed, I think it was worth the effort. Students of my Form 4 class who were participants of the study showed appreciation for the intervention by expressing positive comments about how they enjoyed the lessons and how it had helped them to learn the content taught. This, in my opinion, would have probably been the greatest achievement from undertaking the study, as it provided me an opportunity to try something different in my classroom. Throughout the entire action research process, I not only noticed positive changes in the attitudes of my students when they engaged in the lessons taught, but I also felt myself constantly reflecting on what went well and what can be improved in future lessons. There were also some challenges experienced during the research process, which included a student being absent from a lesson, or internet connectivity was lost, and unexpected disruptions in the school day. This caused a lot of tension as I wanted to complete the study milestones according to the Gantt chart schedule initially created. However, in time, I've learned that having a contingency plan was important, and instead of becoming worried, resorted to Plan B in order to complete the study in a timely manner. Sometimes I had to borrow the students' participants from other teacher classes, which meant more frequent communication with staff members to elicit their support. I also had to purchase prizes for the students in advance and had to ensure all the technical requirements for digital game Code Combat were met. Indeed, such meticulous planning gave me the experience needed to realize that for a lesson to run smoothly, effective planning must be done in advance and not on the spur of the moment. Conducting this action research project has positively impacted me on a professional level, since I now feel more confident to execute my duties as a teacher, and am now able to share what I have learned with other fellow educators. Since my current action research was executed within a relatively short time frame of 2 to 4 weeks, I hope to continue use of this plan for a longer period of time, and perhaps choose another digital game for the problem-solving unit of work and perform a comparison between studies. In essence, engagement in this action research project has changed me into becoming a more proficient and reflective teacher. Thank you.